Solve the following pair of linear equations by using a cross multiplications method. So the given equation here, we have 2x plus y, which is equals to 5, 3x plus 2y, which is equals to 8. So here, first you'll have to check whether the given equations are in standard form or not. The standard form of linear equations in two variable can be given ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So that means here the given equations are not in standard form. So one must have to convert this into in this format, which is in standard form. So we have here 2x plus, which is y. Now this 5 you can bring to the left hand side. It will take here minus 5, which is equals to 0. And that of here 3x plus, again here 2y minus 8 equals to 0. That is how we have changed the given equation in standard form. Now before we take here our cross multiplications method, one must have to pick out the value of a, b and c. Here a1, that is the coefficient of x from equation number 1, that is 2. Likewise here b1, which is coefficient of y, which is we have here 1, and c1 equals to that is a c1 will be a constant term, which is we have here minus 5. Now from the second equation we take again here coefficient of x, that is a2 equals to 3. Again here b2, which is also here coefficient of y, we have here 2. Again here c2, which is equals to constant term along with the sign, that is minus 8. Now take the formula here by using cross multiplications method, that is we have. So here by applying the cross multiplications we have, so how to arrange the pattern for this cross multiplications method, that is you'll have to remember p, c, r pair, that is for the first equation. Likewise here we take 1 1 1 1. Again for this equation also we take the same here, p, c, r pair. So now this will be 2 2 2 2. Now these two we get a x, above here y, and here positive 1. After that what you'll have to do, you'll have to take here a multiplications, cross multiplications top to bottom, that is numerator to denominator, b1 c1. After that again here these two you'll have to multiply, followed by again these two you'll have to multiply, followed by again these two you'll have to multiply. Likewise a1 and b2, here a2 b2. That will be the pattern for this questions order for this formula. Now we take this form here, what we have written, yes, that is p, c, r pair. Now first take b, c, a, b value. So here b value, so 1, again here b value, we have 2. Here keep a space, followed by c. So c value within the bracket here minus 5 and minus we have here 8. After that keep here a space, followed by a. So a we can see here 2 and 3. After that here b. So b value again here 1 and 2. Here these two x, here y, here it will be 1. Now the method itself here are cross multiplications. First you'll have to multiply these two value, these two 1 and 8. So x divided by, now we can multiply here, so we can see here 1 into 8, which is equals to minus 8, followed by always minus. After that here multiply these two value along with the sign. 5 2's are 10, but it has a negative sign, followed by equal. Again here to get a y value, again these two value you will have to multiply, minus, that is 15. After that, followed by, yes, minus sign. Again, these two value, which is 8 2s are 16, but here negative 16, which is also equals to 1, divided by, again, these two value. 2 2s are, yes, 4, followed by minus. Again, these two value, which is 3, 1 is 3. The next step here, x upon, we have here minus 8 minus minus r plus, we get here 10, which is also equals to y divided by minus, we have here 15 minus minus r, yes, plus 16, also equals to 1 divided by 1. Then here x upon minus plus will be minus 10 minus 8 equals to 2, which is also equals to y divided by minus plus will be minus 16 minus 15, 1, also equals to 1 by 1. Now to get a value of x and y solution, what you'll have to do, yes, from first and third term you can compare, which is here from the first and the third terms. So from first and third terms we get here, or we have first term, we have here, these are first, second and third. So from first we take x upon 2, also equals to third terms. So third we have here 1 upon 1. Now to get the x value here, take a cross multiplication. X into 1 will be x, 2 into 1 will be 2. Now to get the value of y, again we repeat the same step here from. So y will be second. So second and third terms we have. So second term, what we have here, y by 1. So y divided by 1 equals third term 1 upon 1. Now take here a cross multiplication. Y equals to 1, 1 is 1. Hence the solution are x 2 and that of y equals to 1. Sub question number 4. X minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. So first see that whether the given equations are in standard form or not. Yes, they are in standard form. It's already in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then from these given equations you will have to pick out the value of a, b and c. Here a1 equals, again a2 equals, a we can see here that is a coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x are 1 and 3. Again here b1 and b2. B means here you'll have to take the coefficient of y. Along with the sign here we have negative 3. Again here also minus 3. And that of here c1 and c2. C here you'll have to take the constant value, which is minus 7 and minus, that is 15. Now here by cross multiplications method we have. Now you'll have to try to recall the pattern for this method, and the pattern is very simple. Like I said before, it's very simple. That is, just you'll have to remember a statement here, P, S, A, P. Now again here you'll have to repeat this same here also, P, S, A, P. This for the equation number 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, and here 2, 2, 2, 2. These two will be x, this two will be y, this two will be 1. Now exactly you'll have to follow this pattern. We have here b1 and b2. So b value, which is minus, we have here 3 and minus 3. After that here take the c1, which is we have here minus 7 and minus 15. Keep here a space. Now a value, so a value are 1 and 3. Again keep here a space. B value are minus, we have here 3 and minus 3. Here x, y and 1. After that here x divided by. Now you'll have to take here a cross multiplications. The first step here, you'll have to take these two downwards, numerator and denominator. That according to this pattern here, these two, you'll have to multiply. So minus minus are plus, 3, 15s are 45. After that minus sign. Again these two value you'll have to take. That means here the value are these two. Minus minus are plus, 3, 7 are 21 equals, again here y. Again downwards these two. 7 3s are 21, but sign still negative, followed by yes minus sign. Again here you'll have to multiply these two. 15 into 1 along with the sign, so negative 15, which is also equals to here 1. Again these two value, 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3, followed by minus. Again here these two value, 3 3s are 9, minus 9. X divided by 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus this will be 2, which is also equals to y divided by negative 21. Minus minus are plus. Again we have here 15, also equals to 1 divided by minus, we have here 3, minus minus are plus 9. You'll have to drop again here the same term, x upon 24 also equals to y upon minus plus minus 21 minus 15, 6, negative sign, also equals to 1 divided by minus plus will be minus 9 minus 3, which is equals to 6. Now from first and third terms, from first and the third term we have first term we get x upon 24 also equals to third value 1 upon 6. Take a cross multiplication, 6x also equals to 24. Therefore x equals to 24 divided by 6. X equals to 6 into 4 times. After that here, to get a value of y, you'll have to take from second and third terms. Second term y divided by 6 equals to third 1 by 6. Take here a cross multiplication, 6y also equals to negative 6. Therefore y equals negative 6 divided by 6, which is y equals to minus 1. Third question, the given pair of linear equations are 8x plus 5y equals to 9, 3x plus 2y equals to 4. The given equations are not in standard form, so change this equation in standard form. That can be taken here, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So 8x plus 5y transpose this value, negative 9 equals to 0. Similarly 4 you can shift to the left hand side, so it will become here minus 4, which is equals to 0. So from these two equations get a value of a, b and c. Here a1 equals, again here we need a2, which is equals a coefficient of x from the given equation. So the coefficient of x are, one is 8, the other one is 3. Again here b1 and b2. B coefficient of y from the given equation, so they are 5 and 2. So 5, 2. C1 equals to constant value along with a sign minus 9. C2 again here constant value minus 4. After that here you can apply the method here, that is a cross multiplications method. So by using cross multiplications method, we have pattern here, that is the pattern for this method. You'll have to remember B, S, A, P. First take the value of B, so they are 5, 2. So 5 and 2, keep here space C. So C means the constant term, minus 9 minus 4. Keep space there. A, add 3. Add 3 followed by B, which is again here 5, 2. So here filled with X, Y and 1. Next, X divided by, take here a multiplication. These two you'll have to multiply. 5 into minus 4. Minus 20 followed by always minus sign. Again these two you'll have to multiply. 2 into 9, 18, but sign negative, also equals to y divided by. These two you'll have to multiply first. 9 into 3 minus 27 followed by minus sign. Again these two value here, 4 into 8 along with a sign minus 32, which is also equals to 1 divided by 8. 2's are 16 minus 3, 5 are 15. Again here x upon minus 20 minus minus are plus 18, also equals to y divided by, we have here minus 27 minus minus are plus 32, which is also equals to 1 divided by 1. X divided by minus plus will be minus, which is we get here 2, but sign still negative, which is also equals to y divided by minus plus will be minus 32 minus 27, which is equals to 5. Again here equal 1 divided by 1. Now from the first and third terms, we have first term you'll have to take here x upon minus 2, also equals to third terms 1 upon 1. To get the x value, take here a cross multiplication. 2 into 1 here minus 2. From the second term and the third terms. Second term we have here y divided by 5, which is also equals to third 1 upon 1. Take here a cross multiplication, y equals to 5. So the required solution are minus 2 and 5.